Ever found yourself buried under a mountain of spreadsheets, desperately trying to reconcile your salon's daily sales with your accounting software? Or perhaps you're a fitness instructor juggling client bookings, payment processing, and then spending hours at the end of the month manually inputting all that financial data into QuickBooks? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a question that plagues many small business owners in the beauty, wellness, and fitness industries. Is Vagaro compatible with QuickBooks? It's a crucial question, because in today's fast-paced business world, efficiency is king. Every minute you spend on manual data entry is a minute you're not spending with clients, marketing your services, or simply taking a well-deserved break. The promise of seamless integration between your booking and point-of-sale system and your accounting software can feel like a dream come true. But is it a reality with Vagaro and QuickBooks? Let's unpack it. First, the short answer, the one you're probably eager to hear: yes, Vagaro is indeed compatible with QuickBooks. Specifically, it integrates with QuickBooks Online. This is fantastic news for businesses using Vagaro for their day-to-day operations, scheduling, managing appointments, processing payments, and tracking sales, and QuickBooks for their financial heavy lifting. But compatibility is just the starting point. What does this integration actually do? How does it work? And more importantly, what are the real-world benefits for your business? Let's break down the mechanics. The Vagaro QuickBooks integration is a premium feature, meaning it comes with an additional monthly cost, typically around $30. This fee unlocks the ability to automatically sync your sales data from Vagaro directly into your QuickBooks Online account. This isn't just about dumping raw numbers. It's about structured data transfer that can significantly streamline your financial management. When you activate this integration, Vagaro is designed to export data from your transaction list to QuickBooks. This means your sales records, including product sales, service sales, class sales, memberships, and packages, are automatically synchronized. This automation is key. Imagine the hours you might currently spend manually entering each transaction, calculating taxes, and categorizing income. With the integration, much of this tedious work is handled for you. One of the primary benefits of this automatic syncing is simplified reconciliation. Reconciliation, for those unfamiliar, is the process of comparing your bank statements with your accounting records to ensure everything matches up. When Vagaro sales and payments are automatically fed into QuickBooks, it becomes much easier to match these against your bank deposits and fees. This dramatically reduces the potential for human error, which, let's be honest, is almost inevitable with manual data entry, especially when dealing with high volumes of transactions. Beyond just sales, the integration also handles taxes and tips. Vagaro will sync these components of your transactions, providing a more complete picture of your financial inflows in QuickBooks. It's important to note that if you're applying tax amounts, they typically need to be added as a single item in QuickBooks for the integration to work smoothly. Vagaro also offers the option to sync your transactions either before or after fees are deducted, giving you flexibility in how you want to match your deposits. Setting up the integration is generally straightforward. You'll navigate to your settings in Vagaro, find the Premium Features section, and then locate the QuickBooks integration. From there, you'll connect your QuickBooks Online account, provide login credentials, and grant the necessary permissions. You'll also be able to set a sync start date, create a nickname for the transactions that appear in QuickBooks, select your sales tax rate, and choose the payment account where Vagaro income should be exported. Vagaro typically syncs transactions daily, often around 2 a.m. local time, so your previous day's sales are ready for you to review in the morning. Now, let's talk about the impact of this integration on your business. Time savings. This is arguably the biggest benefit. By automating the transfer of sales data, you free up significant time that would otherwise be spent on manual data entry. This time can be reinvested into other critical areas of your business, like customer service, staff training, or developing new marketing strategies. Improved accuracy. Manual data entry is prone to errors, typos, missed transactions, incorrect categorizations. These can all lead to discrepancies in your financial records, making tax season a nightmare and obscuring your true financial standing. Automated syncing minimizes these errors, providing you with more accurate and reliable financial data. Streamlined financial reporting. With accurate and up-to-date data flowing into QuickBooks, you can generate more precise financial reports. This includes profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and sales reports. Having real-time visibility into your financial performance is crucial for making informed business decisions, identifying trends, and understanding where your money is coming from and going. Easier tax preparation. Tax season is often a stressful time for business owners. With a well-integrated system, your sales and income data are neatly organized in QuickBooks, making it much simpler to pull the necessary reports for your accountant or for self-filing. This can save you time, reduce stress, and potentially help you identify deductions or optimize your tax strategy. Better cash flow management. By having a clearer picture of your income and expenses, you can better manage your cash flow. This means you can more effectively predict future revenue, plan for expenses, and ensure you have enough capital to operate and grow your business. Focus on growth. Ultimately, by taking care of the administrative burden of financial reconciliation, the Vagaro QuickBooks integration allows you to shift your focus from back-office tasks to strategic growth. You can spend more time on what you do best, serving your clients and expanding your business. However, it's also important to manage expectations. While the integration significantly streamlines the process, it's not always a completely hands-off solution. Some users have reported minor challenges, such as the way individual transactions are batched or matched in QuickBooks, or how merchant fees are handled. It's always a good idea to periodically review the synced data to ensure everything is flowing as expected and to make any necessary adjustments within QuickBooks. Understanding how Vagaro maps its product and service sales within QuickBooks and how to edit these details can also be helpful. Vagaro provides support articles that delve into these specifics, which are valuable resources for a smooth integration experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.